So thank you Harsh bhai for delivering wonderful session and guys so एक बार अब अगर आप बोल दो कैसा हो, मेरे मुंह से इतना अच्छा लगता नहीं हो, आप जरा
हेलो गाइस।
आई थिंक ये मुझे पता नहीं वो इंस्टाग्राम रील कितना फेमस है, पर ये जब से बोले तो आई थिंक मेरे दिमाग में तो वही चल रहा है यार आजकल। आई थिंक आपने अपने आपका जो इंट्रो का वीडियो है ना उसमें भी आपने डाला ही है, राइट? आई थिंक ये भी आपका तकिया कलाम हो जाएगा।
यस डेफिनेटली।
भाई आपने बहुत सारे कॉन्फ्रेंस और इवेंट्स अटेंड किए। हाउ द गूगल क्लाउड कम्युनिटी डे इज डिफरेंट फॉर यू एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी कैन इम्प्रूव एज अ कम्युनिटी?
ओके, सो मैंने सभी जगह पे टॉक दिया, डेवफेस्ट, स्मॉल मीटअप्स ऑल्सो एंड बिग इवेंट्स ऑल्सो लाइक Google and the CNCF and others. So the thing I like about the cloud community day is the talks are more related to the cloud AIMLs and all this. So now I can see the people are bringing AIML details. So वो रहता है तो इसीलिए I'm like more into the cloud community day specifically. And on the improvement side, मुझे तो ऐसा कुछ लग नहीं रहा क्योंकि everything was good. The planning of track sessions, the planning of how the tracks were designed one by one. So yeah, improvement तो कुछ है नहीं. It was one of the good event I have attended till now. So
did you get the chance to interact with any of the attendees or let's say the professional that came today? Any interesting thing that happened?
Yeah. So definitely, I got chance to talk with professionals specifically. I've been talking a lot with Dharmesh. So yeah, we'll be discussing settings, the idea, and so many professionals I met. So discussing about technologies, and I also met some founders specifically. So I took some advice on the startups and also that is what the things. I really liked about this one that knowledgeable people are also coming. So it is more like if I'm a speaker, then also I'm getting opportunity to learn something new from them.
Okay, if you would like to, let's say, since you as a part of a JDG community, right? What are the things you think that community, as a community culture or perspective, they don't follow or doesn't work at all? This is a little tricky question.
Yeah, it is little difficult to answer that.
You can answer it, sir.
Yeah, so personally, the issue is that I have seen many times people are doing the RSVPs and they are not joining, or so some people are only for having the food and they have the food and left the things. So all the standards, I don't think why you are coming. If your goal is to learn something, you interact with the speaker. If you have any questions. So yeah, this is what few points that I have in my mind that people are not following.
But what are the things that can be done to avoid?
Okay, on the things to avoid, it is more depends on person. I don't think as an organization you and I can do anything. So it is more into about mentality, what people have the mentality they need to change. I have seen so many students are attending, so it is really good. They are meeting with speakers and having the knowledge, interacting, getting the guidance. So it is little bit good side, but again, I'm not sure what going on into the professional minds. They maybe more like weekends and enjoying with their loved one, and maybe their loved one is not allowing that you should attend.
Okay, the last question. What since cloud is one of the very booming domain, do you think we have some other underrated profiles, like we have like pre-sales engineers, solution engineers? So do you have such kind of profiles which are actually people doesn't aware of?
Yeah, so actually I got really interesting question today only when I was interacting with one student. He asked me that I'm more into sales side, but I don't want to join the sales because I'm also a little bit into technical. Now this is really a difficult question to answer. So I suggest them, you can join the pre-sales, or maybe you can join the customer success or customer account handling team or customer technical teams. So it is more about you can interact with customer and you can suggest the technical architecture solutions and everything, more about managing the account. So you are doing both. So definitely all these roles and everything are there, but again, those not are into the limelight. People are still doing it, and freshers also want to join that, but they need some experience also.
Right. I think मेरे पास तो क्वेश्चन बहुत सारे हैं, बट अपने पास उतना टाइम नहीं है. हमारा ऑलरेडी पॉडकास्ट हो जाए और एक इसके लिए करना पड़ेगा लगता है.
अरे श्योर
પણ યાર मैं आया બહુ ગમ્યું.
anytime.
એટલે બહુ મજા આવી લિટરલી.
Yes.
તમારા પ્રેઝન્સ જ અમને મજા આવી જાય
અરે,
છે. તમારે આવતું રહેવું.
થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. એની ટાઈમ અગર તમે બોલાવશો તો વી વિલ
અરે, મને ખબર છે, ભાઈ હંમેશા available જ હોય છે.
જસ્ટ પિંગ અવે.
આઈ લાઈક ધેટ વર્ડ. પિંગ આવે.
પિંગ